Rocket Lab, ticker symbol RKLB. We got some news for you. Exclusive news. We don't get it from anywhere else. We write our own news. We have our own media outlet now, and you're going to love this. We'll even give you some free training as well. Free training videos. Absolutely. My gift. Why? Because we're making money. I can afford to give it you for free. That's what we do on our show. We're successful. We make money. We give it back to our members for free. We don't need to sell training programs. Rocket Lab. Well, we love the space sector. This is a sector we're interested in, and particularly with the administration and what Elon Musk is doing with Trump. We like this sector. However, you can overpay for this sector because it is rock and roll. It is sexy. And the price is up today, 10.67. Now, this is not a full analysis. Well, it kind of is, sort of. You'll understand what I mean as we go. Why is it up today? What's going on? So please tap the like button if you like this news. This will rank #1 on YouTube and Google, 100%, because we've covered this before and we ranked #1 for it before. And now we've got new and exclusive news. It's going straight to #1. So if you'd like to support us, join us. I'll give you a link at the end and how you can get our free training course, videos with one-on-one help and support for free. Lovely. And all this news you can access as well. Right, so should we go straight into it? I think we will. This is our own news source. You like how it looks? This is provided by Sensei Crypto. His full-time job now is Sensei's Insights. He's on the show now full-time with me. And we've got some news for you here on Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab and Intuitive Machines rally. We've got 2 stocks that we cover. We actually had that when we landed on the moon. You remember that? That was a very exciting day. Now, this news is just out a few seconds ago. No one's seen it. There'll be information here that you've not seen anywhere else. And in fact, people share our news. And you're very welcome. I'll give you the link in a minute and you can actually share our news yourself. And I'm very happy for you to share the news. All right, so here we go. The space industry saw notable moves today with 2 emerging players, stocks surging on positive developments. We love it. All right, Rocket Lab, RKLB, small launches, big momentum. I like it. Business overview. I'll just give you a little bit of an outline of what Rocket Lab is so you can understand it if you're new to this space. Rocket Lab is a leading provider of small satellite launch services and spacecraft systems. Its workhorse Electron rocket has over 60 successful launches, including 5 in Q1 2025 under its belt. It's been very successful. We're very, very happy with that. Cementing Rocket Lab as a key player in the commercial space systems and components. Even acquiring Minaric in March 2025 for its laser communications tech as it aims to become an end-to-end space solutions provider. That's from investing.com. It also develops the larger Neutron rocket to serve medium lift missions targeting debut launch in late 2025. Now, as you can see, I'm getting this information from our very own news source. This was just written a few seconds ago by Sensei. You could subscribe to this so you can have much more information, including all the chart data and so on. It's the show notes, which backs up the live videos. You can get all this alongside your news. All right. Why the stock soared? Here we go. Rocket Lab stock jumped about 11% higher today, continuing a remarkable run, now up 500% plus year over year after the company finalized a major corporate reorganization into new holding company structure. The reorganization streamlines Rocket Lab's corporate setup without altering operations, and trading will continue under the same ticker. Investors cheered this move, which aligns with CEO Peter Beck's strategy to support growth across the commercial, civil, and national defense space industries while meeting US government security requirements. Market cap now sits around 11 to 12 billion, reflecting confidence in Rocket Lab's trajectory. Very nice indeed. Thank you, Sensei, for that information. Financial and strategic update. The company's fundamentals underpin the optimism. Q1 2025 revenue reached $125 million, a near record and 32% year-on-year increase, hitting the top end of guidance. Rocket Lab has delivered a strong first quarter, Beck noted, highlighting wins in both launch and space system divisions. The firm also carries a robust order backlog of roughly $1.1 billion, with over half expected to convert to revenue within a year, providing excellent visibility. Looking ahead, Rocket Lab guided for Q2 revenue of $130 million to $140 million and is pushing forward on schedule for first launch of Q4 2025 and has already been tapped for the US Space Force's launch program under a $5.6 billion contract. With such contracts and growing space systems portfolio, Rocket Lab is leveraging its vertically integrated end-to-end space company business model for long-term growth. Fantastic. Now, let me have a quick look back on the stock. You can see it moving on this. I'm going to give you now, there's lots of information here. I'm going to give you a bit more and then you can go and get the rest yourself. The full breakdown, price prediction, and so on and so forth. Our newsletter isn't just the news and show notes. It's also technical charts, buy zone support levels, and all the rest of it. So here we are. Rocket Lab chart levels, technical outlook. Support is holding firm at 2142. All right. This level has proven to be strong base for the recent move. The first target from here is 2950. This comes directly from our technical analyst, Sensei. A key resistance level on the daily time frame. If momentum continues, we're eyeing all-time highs at 3250 as the next major target. Keep an eye on volume confirmation as we approach resistance. Again, this is not financial advice. How beautifully laid out is that, folks? How beautifully laid out is that? We're now giving you your levels, your buys, your support levels, and so on. Now, underneath this, we now do the same review, the same charts for Intuitive Machines Lunar, except I'm not going to do that on this. You can get this yourself. Wow. Thank you very much indeed, Sensei. So if you would like the full newsletter, all right, it's very inexpensive. We're trying to, because me and Sensei make money on our investing, we can give you these services, many of them for free and some of them very inexpensively because we make money. We're not here to make money out of these things. We work hard on them to provide it as value to our members. We always said we'll provide the best service to our members. There is the link in the chat if you want the newsletter. Okay, daily and updates and there's polls and charts and buy zones. Absolutely fantastic. So there's the link in the chat for everybody watching live. For those of you who are watching live as well, here is the Discord link. Become a subscriber and you can have our free training course, How to Read the Chart Sensei has just shown you. There it is in the chat. For you watching at home later on, I'll give it to you now. Click above my head for all the links and the descriptions above here. Down below in the description and pinned to the comments, I will give you, when you watch this video, everybody else had it live in the chat, I will give you the link to the newsletter daily so you can get all these show notes prepared for the NVIDIA earnings, which is tomorrow. Join me for that. And also our training videos. Yep, we have a Discord, only $2.99. Most inexpensive Discord there is, and we give you the training course in there now for free. It's our gift to you as we are coming up to our 4th anniversary. We're making money. These are my investments. You can see I'm making money hand over fist with my investments, so I don't need to charge for training programs. I know what we're doing. We're making money, and we now give it to you as a gift. There we go. It will top out though. We're only taking so many members because we also provide a one-on-one service with the training videos. That's right, a one-on-one 24-hour service on our training videos. Every week there's a new one with daily discussions, all for free. That's right, you heard me right, for free. Above my head, down below, pinned to the comments as well. Here, the 2 links you'll need. I'll put the link here for our newsletter and our and our training videos. One up here, one down here. That's it for me. That's why Rocket Lab is moving today. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.